Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm back with another recipe. Today I will be making Haram's mutton masala. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We are going to start by adding 30 grams of mint leaves, 50 grams of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped green chilies, salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, or you can squeeze in half small lemon, and 2 tablespoons of water into a blender, and blend it until everything is mixed together and a thin paste is formed. In a pot, add half cup of ghee. You can replace it with butter or oil. Add 2 medium sliced onions and fry them until they are light brown. Once the onion turns brown, add roasted cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1½ tablespoons of chopped garlic, and 2 teaspoons of green chili. Fry on high flame for 5 minutes or until the garlic turns brown. Add 500 grams of mutton, 1 teaspoon or according to taste salt, and mix it well. Cover and cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Add the prepared masala in the pot and mix it well. Cover and cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Anaardana, 1 cup yogurt, Now we will give it a good mix. Cover and cook on low flame for 45 to 60 minutes or until the meat is tender. Once the meat is completely cooked, we will add 4 tablespoons of cream on low flame and mix it immediately. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi and mix it well. Finally, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Mix it well. And cover and cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. We will garnish our dish with some coriander leaves, ginger and green chilies. And the dish is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Please like and share this recipe with your families and friends. For more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.